Okay, we got a 1966 Chrysler 383. Pulled the oil pan off. Probably a good idea to pull oil pan off with something that's been running since 1966. You never know what's going to be in the bottom. Sure does look like a lot of sludge. Look at this. Yep, you don't want to clog up your oil pickup. Plug it up and blow an engine. Look at that. Alright. Oh, it's nice and sticky. Yeah. Gonna have to clean this all out. I don't see any oil or valve train seals here, or valve seals. Don't see any plastic from a timing chain. That's pretty good. I'm gonna change them anyways. Yep. That's a mess.